In this video, let us see how to prepare South special kachoris with greens, spices and wheat flour on the outer layer and dal and sweet for stuffing. First take wheat flour in a bowl. To this add a teaspoon of chili powder. Next add a teaspoon of garam masala powder to it. Also add required amount of salt to it. Then add a teaspoon of cumin powder to it. Finally, add greens paste that you have already prepared. Now you have to knead the dough by mixing all the ingredients uniformly. If required, you can add a pinch of soda salt to it. This will give crispiness to the kachoris. Add additional water if required. Make it as a smooth ball and keep it closed to set for some time. For preparing the dal fillings, cook split green gram in a cooker by adding little salt and required amount of water to it. Then take a pan and add 1 or 2 teaspoons of oil to it. For safety precaution, check whether the water content in the pan is evaporated before adding oil to it. Let the oil to heat for some time and set the fire on medium flame so that the ingredients will not burn away. Now the oil is heat enough to add the required ingredients into it. Now add finely chopped onion to this and saute for some time. Keep stirring continuously for cooking all onions uniformly. Wait until the onions cook well and lose its color completely. You can know that it has got cooked well by its transparent shade. You can finish cooking the onions in this stage or even let it to turn to golden brown color. It will be crispy and tasty when it turns to golden brown shade. To get this golden brown shade and crispy texture, you can keep in high flame for a while. But be sure that you are nearby the vessel and keep stirring continuously if you are going to keep it in high flame. The onions have got completely fried. Now we have to add the split green gram. This ingredient is actually split green gram, but it is popularly known as moong dal. We have already cooked this split green gram in a cooker for a whistle. So it is enough to saute until it thickens, and that's all for the dal fillings. Same way you can prepare the sweet fillings also. For sweet fillings, instead of dal and onion, you can use powdered jaggery and grated coconut. Same as the dal fillings, saute coconut just once and add jaggery powder with it. Add few drops of water in the sweet fillings for the jaggery to melt. Due to time factor, I couldn't show the cooking procedure for the sweet fillings. Fillings ready for dal greens kachori. Fillings ready for sweet greens kachori. Now for preparing the kachori molds, take a piece of greens dough and make it as a sheet. Make use of a chapati roller to prepare these sheets uniformly. After making the sheets, place them in any shape molds. There are molds available in various shapes. I have made use of oval shaped mold, but you can take any shape molds like round shape or triangle shape or anything else. Now take a spoon of fillings and place them in one side of the mold. Then you can fold it and press the mold tightly. Pressing the mold tightly is very much important because it will seal the corners. As we press it tightly, there will be excess dough coming out of the mold. Remove these excess dough from it. Finally, you can open and remove the kachoris from the mold. Same way, you can fill it with sweet fillings also. Likewise, you can make all the kachori molds. Now take oil in a pan and heat it well. Wait until the oil heats up well and put the kachoris one by one. Do not put all the kachoris at a time because the oil may splash away. Be very much careful while handling with the hot oil. After putting all the kachoris, keep stirring them and flipping it now and then. Be very much sure that you are cooking only in medium flame. If you fry in high flame, outer layer will fry sooner, but inner layer will remain uncooked. Cooking in medium flame is only the right method. This will let the heat to enter into the kachoris and it will cook well. Also avoid cooking in low flame, which is also wrong method. Cooking in low flame will absorb more oil and the inner layer may become too much oily. We have to be flipping and wait until both sides of all kachoris turn to light brown. Take out the kachoris one by one as and when they seem to be fried. Do not wait to take all together. Take out the kachoris and place in a tissue so that it absorbs the excess oil from it. Now both dal greens kachori and sweet greens kachori are ready to be served hot. For more interesting and innovative recipes, visit our Tamil Nadu Recipe Network's website. Reach us through www.recipinetworks.blogspot.in.